Hi everyone, I'm Ricky from Tech Talk, and today we're unboxing a great new monitor from AOC. So let's get into the unboxing. A massive thank you to AOC who have supplied us this gaming monitor here, developed for awesomeness, so I can't wait to get into that. The model number for this monitor is G2790PX, as you can see there, just under that little tagline. Also, if you look down to the far right, there's a couple little specs there I just want to point out. So it's 144Hz, 1 millisecond grey to grey, and AMD FreeSync technology built in. Also from the picture you can see there is a three-sided frameless design monitor, so this can be linked up to other displays or 2 or 3 of these displays to just get an outstanding jaw-dropping experience from gaming. Just before we begin, I just want to point out here you've got AOC, the model number, gaming monitor, you've got AMD FreeSync technology, 144Hz, 1 millisecond of grey to grey, very low input lag time, which is great for gaming. You have gaming mode and then an adjustable stand, which I'll show you in the review. So it says front here, and what we're going to do now is unbox this and I'll show you all the contents that we get inside our monitor. So to the right hand side, it's just going to show us here how to take out our monitor in the correct way so you don't damage yourself or the monitor. Now if we take a look at the left hand side here, it's just showing you how to set up your monitor, placing in the stands, the adjustability, the connectability as well, because it does have a built-in USB hub, which I'll show you as well. First of all, you will see your AOC disc here that has the manual and drivers on here, and I will put a link in the description as well. Next up, you've got an audio cable here, then you have a HDMI to HDMI cable, you have your UK 3-pin plug to a kettle lead for your power. You have your USB hub connection here, so you need to connect this into the monitor, this into your device, and then you'll have extra USBs on your monitor, which I think is a great idea. Then you have your display port to display port here to connect up to your monitor, or daisy chain if you so wish to. So that's all the cables that are provided, and now let's have a look at the monitor and set that up. So the first section will see our stand and our pedestal. Here's our base plate. You'll see a locking nut that we need to connect the pedestal and the base together. So what I'm going to do is remove the polystyrene and we'll connect that up. So taking the base to start off with, then taking your stand, you hook this in, pull back, make sure you hold that in a tight position, taking your locking nut here, so line it up with the hole, twist it up as tight as possible. It's got a screw head on it as well if you want to do with a screwdriver. So as you can see, you've got nice rubberized feet here so you won't damage your desk, and this is where you're going to get your rotation. So this is how it should look here. And if you do have any issues, just drop a comment down below and I'll be more than happy to help out. So here is our monitor, the rear of our monitor. So over here, you've got a joystick control system, which is great to see. You've got your power connection under here and all your connectability is all underneath. So we'll be going through this in greater detail in the review, and also you can see your USB hub there as well. You also get a Kensington lock, so you can lock down your monitor if you want to. The AOC in a nice silver design up the top there looks very nice. So taking our stand here, you've got 2 teeth at the front that you need to push in first. So if you point them down, and then push all the way down, you should hear that strong click. So I'm just going to do it again. So make sure you hear that click. That means that locking nut has gone in, and there's a button under here that can release this as well for you. So what I'm going to do is flip this up, set it up, and we'll take a look when set up. So as you can see, our monitor is all set up. It has a wide range of adjustability, height change, tilt, swivel, and pivot, which I will show you in the review, which I really do like. As I said, it does have that 3-sided frameless design that just blends into the background and looks absolutely stunning. With 2 or 3 of these monitors put together, it'd be jaw-dropping experience, and I'd love to test that out one day. So this was the unboxing and setup of the AOC G2790PX gaming monitor from AOC. So I'm going to do a full review. Any videos you'd like to see or any information you'd like to have on this monitor, always drop a comment down below. I'll be testing it out, all its abilities, and I can't wait to see what it can give me in the experience wise. Thanks always for watching, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.